Hey YouTube, hey, I'm going to make this quick video. It may help somebody. Got the old Mortise locks in our 1908 built American four-square, Colonial Revival four-square. Anyway, at some point, I don't know, 20, 30 years ago, someone replaced the tubular latches, and they replaced them with these really cheap, crappy die-cast units, and they've crumbled on many of our doors, leaving us with this junk. And looking online to find these replacements, I mean, it's like looking for a needle in a stack of needles. Well, anyway, I found this, a Defender 2772, and it says on a lot of the listings, I got this off Amazon, a lot of the listings it says die cast, but looking at it, it looks more like some kind of stamped metal, which is encouraging. And it's got the square hole for the Mortise style square, threaded square portions. Anyway, this fits like a champ. And, at least tentatively, it fits in here and it lines up. You can see the square right there for where it goes in. Of note though, a concern I had was, nowhere on the listing did it ever give the measurements of the actual latch striker. And you can tell it's a little thicker than, not what I'm going to call the original, but the crappy replacement. Well, I'm going to show you what this looks like completed, but you can see with the existing plate, there's some wiggle room, and I've already test fitted it. It seems to do fine, and it's reasonably quiet, or quieter than these jammed up ones. So hold on, I'll show you what this looks like installed. In making this video, I do want to point out that the deadbolt is the same crappy cast iron material. And while this hasn't cracked yet, I'm sure one day it will. The one thing I will say about this is these doors used to be Mortise with the big portion that went in, and then over time someone basically filled this wood, and you can tell it's like a wood insert, and then they added this crappy stuff later, this die cast business. So what I want to know is, does anyone out there make a deadbolt insert that goes into this type of hole that is set up for a skeleton key for opening it? I mean, this is what the back side of this looks like, where it goes in here. But I would like for there to be a skeleton key accommodation, even if it was just decorative and we rarely ever used it from the outside. Okay, so I've got this latch installed, and see right here it says Mortise latch, and 5/16 inch star drive, 2 3/8 back set latch. It is a Defender E-2772. Now I paid like a $2 upgrade for this bronzed finish, which looks great in the door, but the old-timey crappy die-cast one, I mean, I'd like to eventually replace that, but look at this. So while this is a little taller than the one that was in there, the deadbolt works. This does rotate smoothly both directions, left and right. I'm really pleased with this. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps somebody else. And if you're if you know of any way that I can get a deadbolt that inserts in here to give it the Mortise look, but that takes a skeleton key, let me know. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.